Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grace Hamilton, more popularly known as Spice, recently launched her Women Empowerment Foundation at Eden Gardens Wellness Resort and Spa in Kingston. Several entertainers also attended the event to show their support, including her No Worries collaborator D'Angel, along with Queen Ifrica, Pampute, Cecile, Ikea, and others. During an emotional presentation, Grace Hamilton presented a check worth $350,000 to the GHWEF's foundation first recipient, Abigail French, a young lady who was accepted to the University of Technology but was unable to attend due to financial constraints and a lack of family support.
There are those persons who saw my potential, and whether it be in the form of financial assistance here or there, words of encouragement, persons who have been my rock are usually teachers, because they do see my potential and they do see that I try my best.
The donated funds were in support of her education. The Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation is designed to uplift young women and push them towards success despite life's obstacles.
The Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation will be beneficial to the Jamaican woman because I'll be enriching them through education and business, and I chose those two areas because I think those are the key aspects. I mean, at the end of the day, I definitely believe that education is the key to opening the door to a successful future. But I also know for a fact that not everyone was born to become a lawyer or a doctor.
Grace Hamilton noted that she also endeavors to launch the foundation overseas. Reggae artist Ziggy Marleys' seventh studio album Rebellion Rises made its debut atop the Billboard Reggae Album Chart with the first week sales of 4,304 copies. The album features collaborations from reggae artists such as Sizzla Kalonji, Stephen Marley and Gideon Marley. Rebellion Rises is his fourth #1 album. The 10-track set was released on May 18 by Tough Gong Worldwide. Some of the tracks featured on the album are Sidem Fake Leaders, which describes chaos and destruction caused by leaders with malevolent intentions. Other songs include Your Pain Is Mine, Circle of Peace featuring Stephen Marley, and The Storm Is Over, which marks the debut of his 11-year-old son Gideon Marley. Ziggy Marley is gearing up to embark on his tour next week. The tour will run until September and will see Marley making stops in the United States, Europe and Asia. Now, it was recently announced that British singer Sting and reggae artist Shaggy will embark on a North American tour shortly after they wrap up their tour of Europe this summer. The tour, which is in support of their joint album 44876, kicks off in Miami on September 15. The two are expected to perform their hits like Every Breath You Take, Englishman in New York, and Message in a Bottle, as well as It Wasn't Me, Mr. Bombastic and Angel, among others. 44876 debuted at #1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums Chart shortly after being released on April 21. The album features collaborations with Sly and Robbie, Morgan Heritage, Idonia, Agent Sasco, among others. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime